Hi everybody, so my personal favorite kind of dinner is anything that you can cook in less than 30 minutes, and ideally it's cooked in one pot or one pan. So that's exactly what we're doing tonight. I've already got here in our Rock Crock Dutch oven a pound of ground beef cooked up with one diced onion. So that's already kind of cooked up here and ready to go. And what I'm doing tonight is one of our new meal mixes from Pantry that's new this fall, and this is our chili mix. It actually comes as a set of 3, and it's super easy to make, and it's probably just going to use things that you already have in your cupboard or your freezer, like an extra pound of ground beef. So all you do to make this is, like I said, we've already got the meat and the meat and the onion. We're going to add 28 ounces of canned diced tomatoes, and then you're going to add a can of either black or kidney beans. In this case I like kidney beans and it's what I had, so that's what I'm going to use. And then a cup and a half of water. And all we're going to do is stir that up, and of course add our seasoning packet over here. We are going to bring that to a boil, and then we are going to lower it to simmer for 18 to 20 minutes, uncovered, and then you're all set. Super easy, super handy to have in your cupboard. So while I've got you here for just a second, like I said, this is our Rock Crock Dutch oven. It is made from clay. It is heat safe to 725 degrees. You can obviously use it on the stove. It is microwave safe. It is dishwasher safe. It is freezer safe. It is broiler safe, our entire Rock Crock line. And you can go straight from the fridge to the stove with this pot too. So you can put your leftovers in the fridge. We actually have, it comes with the clear glass lid. Now the lid is oven safe, but only to 400 degrees, just so you know. So you can put that straight in the fridge, your leftovers, and then warm it up right on the stove the next day. So it is lightweight. So if you are looking for a Dutch oven that might have a little less weightiness to it than like our cast iron enamel one, then this is a really great alternative to use. So it's one of my favorites in the kitchen. It's got excellent heat retention. It's going to multitask beautifully for you. So that is our Rock Crock line, our Dutch oven, and our new chili mix. Enjoy!